Alright, yes, the people, good day. We just replaced the battery, so we're going to try to crank this thing and see what's going on. They had told this person that their timing chain broke. We're cranking, but not starting. So we need to check now, see if we're getting fuel or if we're not getting spark. So, let me head to the front. So we're removing these plastic covers, engine covers. That's the cold air intake from the factory. There's one on each side. So we already got cold air intake. And now this is the air filter housing that I'm removing. There's an air filter in here and an air filter in here. You have to undo these screws. Yeah, fancy Benz life. These are coils. 1 coil, 2 coil, 3 coil. This is a V6. And over here we have 1 coil, 2 coil, 3 coils. So we have 6 coils. Now the injectors, these are the fuel rails. This is a fuel rail. And then this is a fuel rail. This is a Schrader valve that I'm